Row 1 says to knit 1, purl 1, and repeat to the end of the row. That means we're going to knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. The name of this stitch for the cuff is called a broken rib. If I were just doing 1 by 1 ribbing, or knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, if I were doing that on both sides so that you had columns of knits and columns of purls, you'd see sort of a traditional ribbing. But this one is called broken because it looks like there are little purl bumps on every other row, and that's because there will be. So the other side, second row, we're going to purl all the stitches, and you'll see it makes a really pretty edge. I would say that it doesn't draw in as snugly as ribbing will, so it's not going to hug your arm as snugly. I think that's okay. I can see I need to do my nails. So I went to visit Mom and I used this beautiful silver nail polish, and then I was doing a lot of cleaning. I was actually polishing a silver platter, and the silver cleaner took off my silver nail polish. So I tried to redo it with some new nail polish that I bought at CVS, and as you can see, we're not quite there, but I digress. All right, 2 more stitches, and then if you'll remember from the other video, when we first cast on, I had this anchor stitch. I said we were going to remove it. The time is now. Just pull. Boop. That wasn't as smooth as I had anticipated. It made a knot. Isn't that funny? I'm not sure why. This has never happened to me before. Okay. Very good. Now we have 2 little ends, and row 1 is complete.